Your AI agent is only as smart as the instructions you give it. Think about it. Every time you start a new task, you're writing prompts from scratch, searching GitHub for scattered skill files, no quality control, no security audits, just hoping it works. What if your agent could learn any skill in one command? Introducing SkillForge by Quanta Intelligence. 37,000 curated AI skills, one command. Every skill is handpicked, security audited, and ready for production. Just type npx quanta-skills add and the name of any skill. Done. 37,000 skills, over 200 packs, 6 agents supported. Here's how it works. 3 simple steps. Step 1. Find. Search 37,000 skills or let Quanta Meta auto-discover exactly what your project needs. Step 2. Install. One command. npx quanta-skills add and the skill name. That's it. Step 3. Build. Your AI agent is instantly smarter. Ship faster than ever. Every skill is packed with everything your agent needs. Claude.md instructions with detailed prompts, scaffold files with configs and templates, MCP tools for server-side execution, and trigger keywords that auto-activate the skill on matching tasks. Every skill is reviewed, security audited, production ready. SkillForge works everywhere. Claude Code, Cursor, Copilot, Gemini CLI, Windsurf, Warp. One skill format. Every AI agent. Pricing is simple. Free gives you access to all 37,000 skills forever. Pro at $29 a month adds 600 workflow skills plus 200 curated packs. Premium at $99 a month gets you everything,